Hey, Bill here with SheetMagic. I wanted to create a quick video to demo the SheetMagic platform. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. You can see on my right here, I kind of loaded the AI configuration settings. You'll notice that there's four tabs here, one for AI text, AI image, AI audio, and AI video. I'm going to go ahead and create some content for you. I pre-selected OpenAI. I've already set up my OpenAI keys, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use them. So here I created a AI text prompt, image prompt, going because the videos can take a while to generate. Sorry. So here, create a short story about life in Oregon. I live in Oregon, like a suburb near Portland. So create a photorealistic image of a dog driving a Ferrari. And for speech, I write, "Hi, my name's Phil, and I'm building a lot of features for SheetMagic." The video is going to take a little while, so I'm just going to go ahead and let that run. But you can see here how the power of SheetMagic is. Imagine you had a column filled with a bunch of data, and you would be able to reference that cell and just drag and drop all the different, prompts that you have for that cell. So you can see that the content was created here. Let's check out the image. It's Ferrari or a dog driving Ferrari. Looks great. And for AI speech, you won't be able to hear it from my mic here, but take my word for it. It's uploaded to your Google Drive, the file, and you'll be able to download it and listen to it right here. So it's playing in the background right now, and which you likely won't be able to hear and just finished. And let's go ahead and wait for the video to process. In the meantime, let's take a look at some of the settings. So max output. Well, you can see here actually we have a bunch of AI providers and their respective models. Switching over, you'll be able to see some of the different models that we support. The max output for tokens. This just means how much content can the AI provider provide, right? So if I were to restrict this to say 10, your content's going to be super limited, so on and so forth, right? So for AI video, let's go ahead and take a look. So again, it's uploading to your Google Drive. I'm going to download it. I'm going to go ahead and play it, and hopefully it pops up in this window here. Take a look at that. So it's a panda driving Bugatti. That was kind of the prompt, just to showcase kind of what you can do, just to have fun with it a little bit. Great. That's it.